I'm Matt. In this video, we will look at how to create an MLA citation for websites. To create an MLA citation for a website, you will need the following pieces of information: the author's first and last name, the title of the article or page, the title of the website, the name of the publisher if it differs from the name of the website, the date the page or site was published if it's available, and the URL. When including URLs in a citation, leave out the hypertext protocol prefix. While this used to be the case, you no longer need to include the date you accessed the website. If you still want to add this information, list it after the URL in the day, month, year format, using the proper month abbreviation. For websites with one author, start with the author's name, last name first, then the first name separated with a comma. End this section with a period. The title of the web page or article is placed in quotation marks, with a period before the end of quotation. The title of the website is written in italics followed by a comma. If the name of the publisher differs from the name of the website, include it after the title. You will often find the website publisher at the bottom of the website, or under the About Us section. Following the publisher is the date that the page or article was published or posted. Finally, end with the URL, permalink, or DOI. As with all bibliographic citations, use a hanging indent. The in-text citation for a website with an author is the author's last name in parentheses, followed by a period. Unless the website includes numbered paragraphs or sections, don't include any additional information. For the website used in the example before, the in-text citation would look like this, with McNary in parentheses after the last closing quotation mark, followed by a period. For a website with two authors, place the author's last name in the same order as the source. The first name should be formatted in reverse order as was done for a single author. The second name, however, is written as first name, last name, and is followed by a period. The rest of the citation will follow the same structure as citations for websites with one author. The in-text citation for a website with two authors should include both authors' last names, in the same order they are listed in the source and your works cited page. For a source with three or more authors, the first name is listed in reverse order and is followed by a comma and et al. Et al is the abbreviation for et alia, a gender-neutral Latin phrase meaning and others. The in-text citation for a website with three or more authors should contain only the first author's last name, followed by et al. Sometimes websites do not state who wrote the information on the page. When no author is listed, you can omit the author information from the citation and begin with the title instead. The rest of the citation will follow in the same structure as before. Often, web pages are published by organizations or corporations with no author indicated. In these cases, you can assume that the publisher also authored the web page, as in this example. Since the author and publisher are the same in these cases, you can skip showing an author and just indicate the organization or corporation as the publisher. The in-text citation for a website without an author is noted with the first word or words in the title in italics and surrounded with parentheses, followed by a period. For the website we used as an example, the in-text citation would be written like this. As you can see, only the first part of the title is used. When citing a web page that does not include a formal title, just include a description of the page. Do not place the description in italics or quotation marks. Follow the description with the name of the website and end with the URL. When citing social media in your work, follow the same format as an MLA citation for a website. Here are some examples of ways you can cite various social media platforms in your work. Many notable individuals use Twitter as a platform to share intriguing ideas and noteworthy quotes. To cite a tweet, start with the account holder's Twitter handle, followed by a period. After this, in quotations, you should enter the full text of the tweet, including any hashtags. The publisher, Twitter, is then listed in italics, followed by the date in day, month, year format and the time the tweet was posted. Finally, include a URL to the tweet followed by a period. To cite an Instagram post, begin with the account holder's name or username. In quotations, list the title of the photo if it is given. If there is no title, write a brief description of the picture, but do not place it in italics or quotation marks. The publisher, Instagram, is then listed in italics. Any other contributors, such as the photographer, if it is not the same as the account holder, are then listed, after which you will add the date it was posted and the URL. To cite a Facebook post, begin with the account holder's name or username. In quotations, list the title or caption of the post if there is one. If there is no title or caption, write a brief description of the post but do not place it in italics or quotation marks. The publisher, Facebook, is then listed in italics, after which you will add the date and time it was posted and the URL. And there you have it! While there are a lot of details to keep track of, there's a consistent structure to help you keep track of what you need for each citation. And remember, you can always use the EasyBib citation tools to help you create your citations correctly.